How to connect Google domain for free without paying for a Wix plan. Now you can always connect Google domain for free without actually paying for a Wix plan. Now right now if I go to my Wix dashboard, you can see I have the free account. As you can see the upgrade button right here. I do not have a plan on neither Wix or Google domain. Now what you have to do here is once you're here on the home page, you can find this option called connect domain, or you can simply go to the setup screen that you can find right here. Once you go to the setup page, you will be able to see this option that says connect a custom domain. So you can go to the connect custom domain button right there. Simply paste the domain from Google domain, click on the let's go option, and later on after you've hit this button, you can copy your name service, DNS addresses, and point out that domain to the website accordingly. And this way you should be able to connect Google domain to your Wix website without paying for the Wix plan. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.